Not likely. Coinbase and Shiba Inu coin just did this, which makes sense if we often hear about Shiba Inu and Coinbase securities. Usually, their link leads to big news, and now they're back in the news because of what's going on. In this video, we'll talk about what's going on. Not even close. Shiba Inu coin and Coinbase just did this. Remember to crush the thumbs up, share, and buy into the feed to see our most current content on Shiba Inu price expectations and master. We should start the movie right away for the test. Shiba Inu is getting a lot of attention these days because Unification X Asset, a blockchain specialist company that is directly involved with the development of Shibarium Layer 2 system, recently announced in an official Medium blog post that they plan to release Shibarium public beta testnet in the second to last quarter. Along with the asset testnet makeover, the long-awaited IBC is being streamlined. Remove gravity cut W store update. The secret of the XRP whale is said to have moved about $210 million worth of Shiba Inu from a Binance wallet to a restrictive wallet. According to either filter, the XRP whale changed over $40 million of wave into 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, increasing the share of both to 21 of the wallet and decreasing the share of XRP. By the time Shiba Inu was 5, the trade was thought to be the biggest one ever. The whale now has more than 48.7 trillion experiences. Using a record-breaking trade, the crypto whale has now collected 20 trillion, 244,240 Shib, which is worth $210 million, $105,912. According to information from either check at the beginning of May, 1.5 billion Shiba had been copied to reduce the number of Shiba on the market and increase the symbolics cost, but the move didn't have the best results, since the stock dropped about 8% in the week after making financial backers look forward to 2021 by putting their money into the top 10 most backed digital currencies. Shiba and Dogecoin recently saw their prices drop by about 80%, but it's clear that big investors are taking advantage of the low prices and continuing to stock up. Mint Peace and Dogecoin are also starting to be used by big companies like. As of late June, we know that Nike, GameStop, Nordstrom, Tesla, Amp, which owns more movies and screens than anyone else in the world, and Nordstrom are all doing well. Whales in the cryptocurrency market hold transport tokens worth $594,171,595, which is about 14.48% of their total assets. The whale responsible for the huge exchange is said to have started to move soon after the Shibarium of 1 billion tokens was announced. According to either study information, the whale had actively collected around 25 billion Shiba Inu tokens by the end of May. With this most recent exchange, the whale would have done better than the biggest exchange. The person who owned the most Shiba tokens named Light was. As unification approaches, the number of important digital currency deals and price tracking sites starts to rise. X Asset announced its plan to send the Shibarium public beta testnet in the second to last quarter. According to new data from Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, 87 of its clients have increased their net long positions in transit through trading in the past few hours, while only 13 of its clients want to sell the 14th largest cryptocurrency. Information from Mint Peace market cap says that Shib is now the third most moving cryptocurrency on the world's top crypto tracking site. This is because, after the changes mentioned above, the trading volume for transport jumped by more than 95%. In the last few days, the most popular cryptocurrency with a Bay theme has had a 24-hour volume of $414,629,633. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu is trading at $0.1025. According to a new report from the mostly XRP-based super crypto whale, in the last 24 hours he has traded a record-breaking 20,024,240 Shib worth $210,105,912. Shiba Inu has said that its Layer 2 blockchain project Shibarium will start its public beta testnet in the second to last quarter of 2022. After the success of the confidential alpha testnet of the L2 blockchain, The team behind Shiba Inu decided to hold the public beta testing for Shiba Inu in the second to last quarter of 2022. According to a statement, the confidential alpha testnet of Shimirium has been running quietly for a long time without any problems, and designers think everything looks good to move forward with the project for public testing. Plans for sending in the second to last quarter to coincide with the asset testnet redesign, which includes the eagerly awaiting IBC cut Gravity W store refreshes. Shiba Inu said in a statement that when Shimirium is ready for public testing, people will be able to work with the company in any way they want, including taking part in the approval process. The public beta testnet will allow groups to work with the company in any way they want, including taking part in the approval process, according to Unification. The most important tool that is still being worked on is the wallet app, which is set to be released soon. To be a full application that covers both one-way and two-way resource moves between L1 and L2 on each level, along with cutoff marking and, later, super trade coordination, which will also be brought to L2 at the same time. Shoperium is important for the drives that are being worked on to show that Shiba Inu isn't just an image mint but a utility task. The L2 organization, which is being built on the Ethereum blockchain, is expected to have the same capacities as the ETH scaling stage Polygon once Shoperium goes live. Shiba Inu designers will move all boat-related projects, such as the upcoming collectible game Shiboshi and the Metaverse project, to the Layer 2 organization. The trade of digital money FTX did better than its competitor Coinbase in terms of Bitcoin and trading volume, even though Coinbase boasted a record number of exchanges. According to a new Kako study, the difference between exchange volumes and the number of exchanges. The study shows that the average dollar value of a Coinbase trade was less than that of an FTX trade. The average size of an FTX trade is $2,000, which is almost double the size of a Coinbase trade of $1,000 for the BTC/USD pair. However, Coinbase kept its hold on its customers. Kako detectives found that Bitfinex and Bitstamp shared a huge chunk of their pie, even though they did a lot of small trades. The trend suggests that the market is mixing delayed negative opinion with more modest expectations. Players will have some tougher memories, reads the paper, to learn about the competition. Last month, Coinbase also saw a big jump in the number of transactions, but it wasn't enough to beat the all-time high during the auction on May 19, 2021. When China was cracking down on Bitcoin, these problems were remembered as a normal margin time for Coinbase Binance to stop Ethereum-related symbolic withdrawals and breaks. The report also gives details about client availability, shows the Coinbase bonus and the difference between the hourly BTC/USD prices on Coinbase and Binance. The premium went down in May after being up for almost half a year. As of late, CenterLogic announced the results of the first quarter of 2022. The total income of $192.5 million was up by $138.3 million, or 255%, from $54.2 million. The growth and total income were caused by printing more than